Consumer Gadget, produced by Vesa Appro, Jaakko Vasankari, Finland. Get ethical when shopping. Consumer Gadget is the ethical consumer's new best friend. It intervenes by providing all those facts about consumer products which one needs in order to make an ethical choice. No need to do difficult research. A product's ecological footprint or the workers' conditions during manufacturing can be known in an instant. Consumers have three possibilities. They can search the website online or on their mobile phone. They can SMS the barcode or they can scan the barcode using the camera on their mobile. The technology behind Consumer Gadget is simple, the concept is explosive. In a global economy, it tells those dirty secrets which manufacturers try to hide.